What's going on, guys? Welcome to the third part of this other game, to the card games of this video series. In the last video, we created and generated our first project and with libgdx. So this is the last progress that we have in the previous tutorial. So we generated and imported our project. Now what we are going to do, we will just we define and the application window for this game, and we will create our first class, the configuration or the configuration class for our game. So we just create a package, name it config, since this will be the configuration for our game, and we will create a new class with name game config. Okay, so and this class is dedicated for storing some constant value that will be used for our game. So this will define the word of our game, the width and height of our window, and other stuff that we need for our game. So when creating game, we need to know how big is our world that our character can interact or can move around in our world. So we need to define how big is our world. Since libgdx application configuration already define the width and height of our application window, which we can find it here. So libgdx configuration, and we can change it by changing this code. So we can just change it right here, but we can also declare a constant for our game or application window. So I have already the code that I already write. So if you want to get access for this code, you can just head over to my blog. I will just post the link of my blog on the description below, or you can just follow my on screen video tutorial and write down the code. So with this game config class, we define our width and height for our application window. So this will be the window for our application, but we have also width and height for another screen that will be used to display some scores, or used for displaying a score and life and other text. We have also defined the width and height of our game world. So we have a width of 6 float. We are using float decimal point. We also using 10 float for our word height, and all of these are in word units. It is not in pixels. It is good idea to use a float to get the exact value. So these are all the constant that we have in our difficulties in our game config. So we have the body radius, and this is used for collision detection. So we also have player size, which will be the size of our player, and we have also the size of our enemy and so on. So we will just get in touch with this after we write the code. So we will just copy this one, since I don't want to create it again or to rewrite the same code I will be using for these tutorials. You can just copy and paste, and okay, so I think we have mistakenly copied the okay, so we have already added the constant for our game configurations. Don't worry about the code later. So but what we did in this tutorial, we declared the width and height for application window. We had height width, we have world width, the body radius, and we have also the timer for our spawn time for our ambulance and other enemy cars, but we will get in touch with that in the later part of this tutorial. So now we already created the configuration for our game. So in the next tutorial we will start using this configuration for creating our loading screen. So I hope you follow with me within the next tutorial if you want to learn how the game is created. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, you can subscribe, and you want me to create your game to the game, you can just direct message me on my Facebook page. I will just put the link in the description below, and you can contact me also, or you can search my Fiverr gig profile. I will just link it also within this video. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you in my next video, and I'm sorry if I can't explain everything with details, with so much more details within this tutorial, because this will take time, or this will consume too much time. So but you have doubt, just ask it or write it in the comment section below. So see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.